Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to install any program in your computer. So first, let's click the menu and then the control panel. So click this uninstall program. So you can see all the programs installed in your computer in this list. So if you want to install, for example, this Adobe Reader, you can click this uninstall and the program will automatically install. So for those who are new to this channel, please click the like button and subscribe, and click the notification bell in order for you to be informed whenever I upload a new video. That's all. Thank you for watching.